What we got on the feet today? We got the OVO flip-flops. These were hand delivered by the man, Aubrey Graham himself. You know, I got connections. What is behind this doo-doo brown garage door? ETR! You already know, favorite part of the day. Top of the morning, guys. How we doing? We coming at you live with another video from your boy Kicks. Goddamn California, man. Jeez. This is ridiculous. Yeah, nice old school right there. Some fresh paint. I know the uploads haven't been like super consistent. Honestly, just been crazy busy. So I apologize. But that doesn't mean that stuff hasn't been in motion. Currently, we are headed to my boy Best Tire Shop Montana. It's about time for an alignment on the GTR. I'm gonna say it's been maybe 14,000 miles since I did an alignment. It's definitely time because I noticed that my car is starting to pull right pretty bad. So yeah, it's about that time. All these damn dips and shit, man, threw my alignment off. So just trying to get that done. Bruh, really? Motherfucker. Yeah, we're trying to get that done because we do have new rally this week. I'm excited, man. This rally is gonna be crazy. We're gonna be driving all the way up to Yosemite and I think through like Death Valley. We're gonna end up in Vegas. Just been trying to get the GTR all prepped and ready, make sure everything is good. If you guys watched the recent uploads, you guys will know I installed the flex fuel sensor. So the GTR is on 91 right now, unfortunately. So everybody's gonna be on 91, so I won't feel bad. And yes, we don't have 93 out here in Southern California. Bro, why would you pump 91? Why not just pump 93? Like, man, if you don't shut your ass up. What's up, dog? Big Wayne gang. What up, man? I think I know that guy. He looks familiar. I already sent up. Oh man, I just tensed up real quick. There was like a whole control arm. Yeah, I know if you guys saw that. I was like, no. Dude, if I was in the Z, I for sure would have hit that. That shit was like a big ass tow arm. Oh, oh, oh. Did you guys see that? Yo, my boy in the truck just hit the curb right here. Oh, his wheel is done, bruh. He hit that shit hard. Let me see if I can speed up and see this. Oh, bro. I don't know how well the camera picked that up because it's super bright right here. Guys, let me know how the quality is looking right now. The last video that I uploaded with the M3, I used 4K on the GoPro and I tried a different setting, which wasn't so wide. And for the M3, I think it's just because I didn't have no tint on the windows. The quality and the clarity of outside came out a lot better. Normally, like when I shoot with my GoPro, like outside right here, it's super white. And I tried to mess with like settings and I couldn't really figure anything out to work. I think it's because of the windows though, because this has obviously no tint, it's super bright, and then it's super dark right here. So I feel like it is because of my tinted windows. But if the quality does look better, let me know. My guy Victor, Best Tire Shop Fontana. If you guys are in the IE area, man, holla at him, come through. So like a limo GTR with that wide angle. Man, guys, you can't say this car isn't sick. It just like amazes me every time I see it. The alignment is all done. It'd be so sick to have one of these in your house. This doubles as a lift too. And then you can use these to actually lift the car up. So it's pretty sick. Yo, my boy trying to gas on me. Yeah, we got an SI badge, RR badge, a Mugen badge, RPM sticker. VTEC. Boy got the P-Lube. has a new exotic rental company, and we're gonna be getting a little something today. Probably later on tonight. I'm gonna be picking up a Urus from them, so I'm pretty excited for that. I've driven a Urus, but it was only like around the corner, so I didn't really get to like take it out, experience it on the road. So super pumped for that because I really like Uruses. You know, one day I do plan to be on the level to where I can buy one of those for like a daily driver. So I would definitely like to drive one and get the experience. Also, besides that, I'm gonna be taking the I almost said M2. I'm gonna be taking the M3 to my people over at Aerolux, the same people that provided the full carbon fiber kit for the M2. They don't have everything in stock for the M3 right now, but they do have a front lip and carbon fiber mirrors. So I'm gonna be taking the car to them. I would install it, but they volunteered to install it for me for their media. That's definitely gonna help out with the look, change it up a tiny bit. 2 days ago, I actually did drop the M off to get the front windows tinted. I normally don't do it, but I actually did tint the front windshield. I did like the second to lightest one that you can get, so it's honestly like perfect. It's I just need some brighter headlights. I'm not gonna lie, the headlights on the M3 fucking suck. They're ass. A company called Bay Optics, they make some super nice headlights for the M that I would love to purchase, but I'm just not trying to pay that full price, bro. Like $1,400 for headlights. I could just get them modified for the low and just kind of make them look updated. So that's probably going to be the route I'm going, because I'm not really trying to spend over a G on some headlights. I'd rather use that for other mods. That's a rare color on a Benz I haven't seen. It's like a blue-green. It's pretty nice. So stay tuned. We're going to hop in this video a little bit later.
Later that same evening.
Coming at you live from the M. Let's get it. Yep, still got TPMS light. They don't want to reset, so I guess when I find some time, I have to go put new sensors in here. So whatever. That's one thing I like about sedans, man. You pretty much have no blind spots because it's like boom, right through the back window. I don't know. Unless you're short, then I don't know. Well, 1 second. Let me that dragon fruit be hitting. Not gonna lie. So I don't know if you guys can tell, obviously the 2 front windows are tinted now, and the windshield, perfect shade on the windshield, because in the daytime it's perfect. At night I can still see pretty decent, and these headlights aren't even that bright, so perfect. I'm trying not to use these cup holders as much because I know that they do break, and I don't want it to break on me, but I just kind of need it. I really like the cup holders though, that's sick. La 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 la, got to get over. Oh my goodness. The X Games mode. Sorry. Oh, you mad? Be mad. But yeah, guys, we like, what, day 4, day 5 with the M. My true honest opinion, so far I'm like really enjoying it. Look at that butter, man, that DCT. Yeah, man. But yeah, so far I've been loving it. It's just been so convenient for me. Like, I'm not really worried about traffic anymore. I don't really care. It's just hella nice to just know that I can just hop in this car and just drive it. You know what I'm saying? I can just sit back. Like, you see how far I got my seat back? Like, I'm chilling, bro. I'm really just chilling. Like, I just be vibing in here. Everything is running perfect right now. Knock on carbon fiber. But like I said, the rod bearings are getting done. I'm probably going to be dropping the car off to my boys here in 2 or 3 days. But yeah, man, everything has been solid. The car drives really good, really good. Super smooth, like no hiccups, doesn't do anything. It drives like brand new, like I can't even lie. And nice jigsaw, dog. You guys know BMW makes some of the best handling cars. Like my M2 was still to this day one of the best handling cars. I still yet have gotten any time to take this thing up to the canyons and see how it does. I'm gonna wait till I do the sleeve kit, so it could be a little bit stiffer. But I'm pretty sure this car handles amazing too. So yeah, man, I'm pretty pumped to modify this car. So far I'm enjoying it, so I know once I have my touches on it, I'll like it that much more. So Who knows, man, maybe I'll keep this one for a while. It's really convenient. I really do need like a sedan and something auto, I'm not gonna lie. So I feel like for the money, I can't really buy anything better that's comparable to this. As long as it can stay running how it does right now, I'll be happy, man, because it's cool, bro. Like, I don't even really drive this car fast. Like, I definitely get the urge to want to hear that high red line, but I really just like cruising it. It's just comfortable, you know, like all my other cars just feel so damn like race cars. So, but yeah, guys, I'm about 20 minutes out from the shop. They're gonna throw the lip on and get these carbon mirror covers on. So I'm excited to see how that's gonna change the front end a little bit. And we got a handful of stuff coming for the E90, so stay tuned. I'll catch up with you guys when I get to the shop. A little scraped up right here, but it is what it is. And yeah, obviously this is falling off. I heard this is really common. It's pretty normal, I would assume, because this is just like carpet. What are those gonna do? But they have an aftermarket, like pretty much skid plate. I already purchased that. That is on order. That should be here within the next few days. So we're gonna be putting that on. This side's actually pretty good, but yeah, I bought the whole aftermarket piece. It's a whole skid plate, so I don't have to worry about that. Yeah, let's see how this thing goes with the lip. But damn, man, look at this stock height. Oof. That's some San Francisco roads for you right there. There it is. Oh, yeah, I love me some carbon fiber. Nice. Very nice. Oh, perfect. This thing will cover my damage. Hell yeah. Here it is, guys. I really like it. It's very similar to the GT4 style, but I didn't like the GT4 because it sticks out too much for my taste. I'm not the biggest fan of that look. But this one's like a shortened GT4 style, and it has the holes right here. So I think it looks really good. Nice little side arrow pieces right here. Very nice. So just off of having this, it's gonna make the car look like what? That's a good what? 2.5, 3 inches. So just with the lip alone, it's gonna make the car look low. So you know what that means? That means I can't go too low. So it's a safety lip for kicks. But yeah, I'm doing the sleeve kit anyway, not coils, so I can't really go that low anyways. And plus we are doing a meaty setup on this. Damn, that should have VTEC, bro. It was all top in. Oh shit. We have the OEM mirror here. Damn, carbon fiber. It's +1 on BMW for making these so easy to replace. Just pop off, pop on. I don't know how well my other camera is picking up the color on this car. The GoPro did a horrible job. It made it look orange. But I think this camera should do a little bit of a better job. And indoors, and the indoor lighting, it looked pretty on point. But it's definitely red. Yeah, man, here are the mirrors. It looks so much better. Very nice. And here we have the lip. Clean. But yeah, guys, there it is. Definitely changed the front end, clearly. It's like a little bit of a different car. So we got the first 3 mods out of the way. Lip, mirrors, and window tint. I'm still waiting on side skirts, rear diffuser, and the trunk lid. I still have to find all that stuff. It's out of stock right now. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the lip. It looks good. It's not like too aggressive or anything. Yeah, the GT4 one, which is most popular, that thing sticks out literally like right here, bro. I'm like, nah, bro, that thing's gonna get destroyed. I'm good. So I chose this one, and then I'm pretty happy I did. It's a little different. Looks good though. Very nice. Once again, big shout out to my people over at Aerolux for hooking me up. I'll tag their Instagram down here. Tell them I sent you. You guys can check out their website and see all the stuff they have available. Probably soon here I'll be getting some more stuff from them, but for now this is what they had in stock, so I'm pretty happy. Well guys, we are all home, safe and sound. Was supposed to get the Urus today, but we're actually gonna get it tomorrow morning. Next video is gonna be on the Urus most likely, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna give you guys a dope review on that. I'll be driving around all day tomorrow, so yeah, stay tuned, man. Appreciate you guys. We have the rally coming up on Thursday, so this whole entire weekend is gonna be crazy. I don't really know if I'm gonna have time to upload, but I'm definitely gonna be filming, so stay on the lookout for that content. Like always, man, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next one.